Are you a brand new life coach who's looking to go out there and make money as a life coach real fast, but don't really have a system or really know exactly what to do to start making money as a life coach? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, what we're going to be going over is specifically, right, if you're a brand new life coach, how can you, as a brand new life coach, right, or as a beginner life coach, go out there and start making money fast as a brand new life coach and as a life coach who's maybe just in the beginning of their journey? Well, don't worry. We're going to go over in this video my 3-step system on how exactly you, as a brand new life coach or as a life coach who's a beginner, can start using so you can start making money as a life coach really, really fast. Let's rock and roll. All right, so the first part of this 3-step system is we need to understand, right, and identify who it is that we're looking to help. Now, there's multiple things that are involved in this, and we want to make sure that we go through all of them so that we can understand who it is that we want to help and the problem that they have. We need to understand the surface desires and the core desires of the people that need our help. So what is it on the surface that they're looking to get help with, and ultimately what you're going to help them get help with on that surface going to actually help them with the core reason why they want that help to begin with. So ultimately, like I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K, that's the surface desire, but what is that 100K helping them get to on the other side? A lot of times that might be more time with their family or more time with their kids, or, you know, so they can travel more, so they can live that entrepreneurial lifestyle. That right there is the core desire that they want to obtain. But in between there, we want to make sure that we answer inside their head, right? Answer this question, right? If I could just. If you can start answering that question inside your prospects' heads, that's going to start helping you understand the surface desires they want to get to, but start helping you start figuring out those core desires they really want to obtain so that you can identify your who and start building out and understanding the problems that they have, right, to get to the goal, to the target, to the things that they talk about they want to get to on their journey. All right, so now that you understand who you're going to help and you have an idea of what it is and the goals and the targets and the desires that they have, let's start talking about creating a solution or an offer, right, that you can start offering to them so that you can have something that they want and that they're willing to pay money, right, to get from you, right? So these offers are typically going to be offers, there's a lot of different ways you can make an offer, right? But let's really break this down and really break down really what an offer is. Ultimately, right, your who, what we just identified in this video, is going to want to get to a solution, a target that they have. Your offer is ultimately going to help guide them to that solution. Now, when you create your offer, you want to understand not only what it is that you're providing, but you also want to understand how it's going to be delivered. We call the how it's going to be delivered your vehicle of your offer. That vehicle of your offer is ultimately going to be how the solution is going to be provided to them. Are you going to provide it to them in one-on-one coaching, on group coaching, at a live event, right? Maybe it's at a profitable presentation. Maybe it's at a virtual workshop or an online summit, whatever it might be. But how's it going to be delivered? After that, we want to make sure that inside that offer, we provide answers, right, to internal and external objections that they have. So internal objections like, can I do this? And external objections like, do I have the resources for this? And last and certainly not least, we want to make sure to give them a reason to take action now inside that offer. So usually we want to add bonuses inside that offer so that, guess what? They can, whoa, these are bonuses, I want these. And they can then, give them that reason to act now so that they can take action now on getting your help with the offer that you have. So what we want to make sure that we do is we create these types of offers or an offer inside the marketplace so that we can actually go out there and start asking people to buy this offer. I think a lot of times people get ideas, but they don't actually take action on creating the offer. They might say, oh, you can work with me one-on-one. I'll hop on the phone with you and I'll help you with whatever problem that you have. But the truth is, right? The truth is guess what? People don't pay for generalists. They don't want to call you with whatever problem they have. They want to call a specialist, right, who fixes specific problems that they know you as that specialist are going to be able to provide for them. So really make sure that you niche down, right, and that you find the problem within one of the 3 core niches of health, wealth, or relationships and identify the problem right inside one of those core markets, and then really go out there and start talking about and demonstrating how that you fix that problem and then create create offers on the other side so that you can start creating offers after you help people inside the marketplace with the offer that we just went over. Before I go over exactly how you can start making your first sales and start making money as a life coach with this offer that we just went over, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K as a life coach or healer with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now we know who we want to help and we have an offer that people can start paying us money. The next thing we want to do is we want to start demonstrating to people exactly how we can help them. The way that we demonstrate to people how we can help them is through what we classify as profitable presentations. You basically putting a presentation, or kind of like throwing an online party where people come to where they can have fun and ultimately get help with the problem that they have. So a lot of times with these profitable presentations, you can do them in ways like workshops or online summits, or you can even do challenges or master classes. Really the way that you do it doesn't matter as much as the fact that you do it. We then want to make sure that we're going out there and we are doing profitable presentations and actually demonstrating how we can help people inside these presentations by actually helping them with a problem that they have. Once we go in there and we actually help them with a problem that they have and they get help with that problem, they're then going to know that we can actually help them. By doing that, this gives us a perfect opportunity to take that offer that we just created and offer it to them at the end of that presentation. When we do that, it gives them the opportunity to take the abundance, to take the help that they just got, and to take the solution and all the yes that is going on in their body right now of, oh my gosh, this person just helped me with something that I needed help with, and giving you the opportunity to be like, hey, do you want me to continue getting my help? Because by that point, they're going to be put in the perfect position to be able to say yes to an offer that you're going to be put in front of them. And then usually by doing this in a group setting, once you get one or two people to say yes, it becomes a lot easier to get a lot more people to say yes, because usually once one person says yes, just like they say, when in Rome, a lot of other people are going to say yes as well. All right, so you've ran your presentation and you maybe had a couple people that bought, but you want to go out there and your card is still open, the offer is still open. So you want to go out there and you want to reach out to people who came to the presentation and you want to say, hey, right? Offer's still open. We want to make sure that you go and you see the offer so you can have an opportunity of purchasing it. So we want to make sure that we send out, and communicate, maybe send out emails or reach out to people, letting them know that we just had that masterclass. Maybe it was people that said they wanted to come but couldn't make it, or the people that came but didn't take action on the offer. We want to make sure that we talk to them about the offer that we made, make sure to present that offer to them, and ultimately give them an opportunity to take action on that offer before the offer closes. So we do this by sending out an email campaign and also to people that obviously registered to come, and then obviously we'll reach out through messages. Maybe it's through text messages or Facebook messengers or Instagram or whatever it might be, but we communicate with them and say, hey, you registered to come to this and we have a special offer just for you. And we wanted to make sure to answer any questions you had about that, because you are one of the only few who registered to come to this presentation or this workshop or whatever it might be, who get access to this offer, and we want to make sure that you know what it is and obviously give you an opportunity to purchase it. By doing that, this is going to give you the perfect opportunity to then be positioned in a way where people can not only take action on your offer, but also get you on the phone to give you an opportunity to make a sale, but also give you the opportunity to make sales at the workshop. So this means it gives you multiple opportunities to make multiple sales, giving you the opportunity to make a lot of sales at one workshop, giving you the opportunity to make multiple sales with multiple clients, signing up multiple clients as a life coach, helping you make a lot of money really fast, really early on, right? As a life coach with profitable presentations. Are you a life coach looking to make your first or next six figures as a life coach? Well, then I got a brand new 22-page guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide that's absolutely free, and I'd like to give it to you. So there's a link down here in the description where you can grab your 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which again is going to be a 22-page guide showing you the 3-step system that we use and that we give to our clients to use so that they can go out there and they can make their first or next 100K as a life coach or healer. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link below and grabbing your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide today. We'll see you in the next video.